Make sure all parts are uninstalled so that they can be cleaned one by one, starting with the Nazava Protect. Remember, when cleaning, you need to be careful. Just hold the blue part and remove the seal properly so that it doesn't fall off. You can clean using the sponge provided or any clean brush or sponge available. Place the Nazava Protect under running water and scrub it with a sponge to clean the dirt stuck on the filter. Alternatively, when the filter is not very dirty, you can clean without a sponge by just rubbing it with your hands while tap water is running over it. Do not use any detergent to clean the filter. If the filter turns brown or black after it has been used for some time, please do not worry. Cleaning will not make the filter white again. Discoloring does not affect the water quality. To clean the upper container or lower container, you can use clean water and soap. Scrub the entire upper container and then rinse it well with clean water. To clean the lower container, start by removing the faucet. Then, wash all parts using soap and rinse well with clean water. To clean the base and the lid, wash with soap and rinse well with clean water. You can also clean the base and the lid using a clean cloth or a tissue. We recommend that you clean the Nazava water filter every 2 weeks. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel to get the latest notification from Nazava. Greetings to all Nazava friends.